In this video, we break down how and why marketing is now digital. Hi, I'm Mr. Mashubane for MediaSpace. For as long as I can remember, or you can remember, marketing has always been at the forefront of our consumer behavior. Besides, you are watching this video right now as a result of marketing somehow. So let's get to it. Have you ever wondered how old digital marketing is? If you are doing business since more than 10 years ago today, you'd know that the term digital marketing wasn't used that much as it is today. Whether organic or paid, digital marketing thrives on only 4 channels: web pages, search engines, emails, and social media platforms. To know how old digital marketing is, let's start with the first advert ever published on the internet. English scientist Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web in 1989 and wrote the first web browser in 1990. In 1994, the first clickable advert went live on hotwire.com. And then in 1978, Hotmail published its first web-based email service. That's when every business saw an opportunity in sending bulk emails to its potential prospects. And then it didn't stop there. In 1990, there was a boom of emerging search engines like Archie. Then later on that decade, there was Google in 1998. And business wanted to appear on top on search results. Search engine optimization. And then there was social media. After the creation of LinkedIn in 2003 and Facebook in 2004, we started having the likes of YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, TikTok, and more. I literally get out of breath trying to list all of them. And that's when businesses started going where the attention is, on social media. And social media is built on digital platforms. If this video has given you value so far, please hit that subscribe button and the like button and share it if you got value from it. And thank you for watching. There's a video on the next card. Watch it and you will get value from it too.